Happy Sunday, everybody. It is Tina Mack, and I want to come on live and do a simple demonstration on how to create a QR code in Canva. Thank you for tuning in tonight. Tonight, I am going to be behind the scenes, okay? Let me know if you're out there. Say, hey, good morning, good evening, hashtag replay. Give me some feedback to let me know if you're looking at this after the live broadcast. But if you're out there, say hey, say hello. Let me go and look at my live to see if anybody's asked questions. But we're going to get right into it. We're going to do a QR code in Canva. Okay. Hopefully you can hear me. Let me check. Hope you guys have had a great day. I just want to make sure you can hear me. Okay, you can. Good. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get right into Canva. What I am doing this month, I know you guys have already heard me say it. I am doing a 31-day challenge in honor and celebration of my birthday month, and I am challenging myself to show up live, and that could be face forward or behind the scenes, 31 days to get more comfortable, with going live. So we're going to get right into it. We're going to get into Canva. So let me share my screen. And I hope you'll still be able to hear me. Wait just a minute. It's not the full screen, so I'll need to see why it's not showing the whole thing. Yeah, I know when you're on live and then you have some little technical difficulties, we just have to see what's really happening. So let's go back here and see why you cannot see my full screen. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, let me hide from the stream. Would that make a difference? Hopefully you guys can still hear me. I don't know why it's not giving me my full screen. Okay. When it usually does, I'm on my Mac, so that might be the problem. But you can still see enough of the screen, so we're just gonna go with it. We're just gonna go with it. Not sure what's happening, but we're gonna get right over into Canva. Let me see what you can see. Hope you guys have had a great day. Give me a minute. I just want to make sure you can hear me. Oh, you can see. Hope you guys have had a great day. Give me a minute. I just want to make sure you can hear me. Okay, wonderful. Oh, you can see. Okay, wonderful. You can see my screen. So I'm gonna go into a design that I've already worked on. I am going to add a QR code. I'm just gonna add a new page. And what I'm going to do right now is I am going to create a QR code for a flyer that I'm going to be creating sometime this month. But I want you to be able to click the QR code I want the QR code to be on the flyer. Okay, I'm just going to find a simple design and I'm just going to go to design on the left and I'm going to click QR. QR. So I'm going to find a design that has a QR code on it. So I'm just going to pick one just for example. Let's just choose this first one. Okay. I'm deleting that little barcode there. I'm going to create a QR code to go on this flyer. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to scroll on the left side of Canva and I'm going to click on apps. Okay, inside apps, you're going to search Canva apps, and I just put QR and I'll do search. And you just choose whatever one you like, whatever flow. I think I'm just going to choose this one, keep it really simple. You can see you can choose different QRs with different shapes, colors, and things of that nature. You can scroll through the different apps. I'm just going to keep it really simple. I'm just going to do QR code here. I'm going to click on it. When I click on it, it's going to ask for the URL of the actual place I want when somebody scans my QR code where I want it to go. So I'm going to pick a page from my website. So I'm going to I'm just going to visit my website. Let me know if you have any questions. So I'm going to my website, and what I want to promote, which I'm going to be promoting this week, I want to promote this digital course that I love. It is called RBA, Royale Business Academy. So I'm going to click on that one. Now what I'm going to do is I want my QR code when someone scans it, I want it to come directly to this item. So I'm going to go up here to my search bar or my address bar, whatever you want to call it, search bar, address bar. I'm going to double click my website. So what I'm doing, I'm copying and pasting, Control C, Control V, or copy and paste, or whatever way you like to do a copy and paste from your website while you're on the computer. So whatever way is good for you to copy and paste, use that method. So I am going back here. I'm going back to where the URL is. I'm going to paste it. Okay, so now you see the website is right here. And now I'm going to click on generate. And I just generated a QR code. I'm going to resize it to go right inside of this graphic. Okay, real simple. It is that easy to create a QR code. All right, let me do it one more time. So I'm going to add another page. I'm going to find another. I'm going to go to design. I'm going to go back up here. I'm going to go back to the search here. I'm going to search QR like I had before. I'm going to find a different one. I'm just going to find a different design that has a QR code. So let's just pick this one. Okay. I'm removing this one. This is just a template, so I'm just removing this little block. Okay. So I am going to go to the left and click on apps. And from apps, I had it already in there, so I'm going to type in QR, and hit enter or return, whatever's on your computer. And I'm going to QR code. Okay, so I'm going back to my website. So let me just choose another space. Let me go to my Learn with Teena McDowell. So say I want to do this one for the self-publishing one-to-one sessions. So I'm going to click on that page. And this is the page talking about self-publishing sessions one-to-one. So I'm going to go up here to the address bar, search bar, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to click on the URL. I'm going to do copy and paste. I'm going back to the page. I'm going to enter the URL, and now I am going to generate a code. Okay. So I'm going to resize it and I'm going to move it right over here. Okay. Let me see if anybody has any questions. Hey, okay. Mia, how are you? Let me see if anybody has any questions. Okay, let me mute myself. Okay. So, as you know, I do Canva one-to-one classes, trainings one-to-one. So if you're somebody out there that wants to learn more about Canva, I actually offer one-to-one sessions. So you can get over to my website and you can click right back on this link here where it says learn with Teena Mac. We're gonna click on it. And if you're interested in doing a one-to-one session with Canva, learning more about Canva, and this would be the Canva basics and any questions that you might have. So we're going to scroll down and it says beginner Canva training. That's what you're going to select. And I need to change that up because it should go right here. So you click on it and you're going to go here. This is the session. You select the option that fits you. You select Canva. This also can be paid in full. It works just like Afterpay. Um, I know I say it wrong, Carolina. However you say that, it's a flexible option. So that option is available. You select Cecil at checkout, and it'll take you through the process where you can pay in full. Let me see if anybody have any questions. I'm gonna stop sharing for a minute. I'm gonna go back behind the scenes. Okay. Let me see if anybody has any questions. Let's see here. I am doing good. It's just been a long weekend, so I'm kind of tired. So that's why I'm behind the scenes today. But I still want to show up live anyway. But do you have any questions about Canva? Anything you would like to ask while I'm in Canva? And I can kind of show you how to do it. Something simple if you have a question. But Mia, I hope you're having a good day today. But while I'm waiting to see if anybody has any questions, I'm totally excited about going live tomorrow with Mashawn. She's the owner of Mashawn's Sweet Treats, or Mashawn Sweets. I have to look at my note. She's going to tell us all about her sweets business. That's going to be happening tomorrow at 7 o'clock p.m. And I'm totally excited about that. Um, this month, like I said, I'm doing the 31-day challenge, but I also have entrepreneurs. I have 2 a week for the rest of the month that I will be talking to. I'll be interviewing entrepreneurs for the rest of the month. Twice a Yes, I am tired too. Good. I'm glad you're fine. But I'm tired, so that's why I'm doing this. But I still wanted to show up anyway. But so I decided that let me teach you how to do something, and this would be something kind of quick. But my goal is to reach entrepreneurs that that don't go live often. They shy, they're introverts, they're people that don't really, like I said, don't like to go live. But my goal is to talk to them and give them some exposure, get them a little more comfortable with going live. So I will have um, Mia is going to be my guest on Thursday. I have a flyer for that coming out tomorrow. Good. I'm glad you learned something from that QR code. But Mia's gonna join me on Thursday, so I'm totally excited about that. But it does get better and better. I think the weekends I'm gonna be like this, kind of faceless. During the week, I'll show my face Monday through Thursday, and then the weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it'll be some behind the scenes like this, where I teach you how to do something or show you talk about my journey throughout the week. It'll be something like this. So that is all I have for you tonight. If you don't have any questions, that is it for this evening. But if you have a question, go ahead and put it in the comments area, and I'll be happy to address it. If you ask the question after live, I can come back with a little video tutorial on something simple. Now, I'm not going to be doing a full video tutorial. But if you have a question about something that I just showed you tonight, I'll be happy to answer your questions. And then I can respond with a little video, something really quick. But I will say this, I did create my YouTube channel, the series. So you should look, y'all need to go ahead and follow me on YouTube. Listen, I'm trying to get to 1,200. I know I said 1,000, but I want 1,200 so that if some people drop off, I'll still be within my 1,000 range. So if you're not following me on YouTube, please get over there. All you got to do is hit subscribe. That is it. That is all. I just need 1,000 of y'all, a little over 1,000 of y'all to get over there and like my YouTube channel. And I will have that in the comments. But if you want to join me on this challenge, please drop in the show, on this live, sorry. Drop I'm in, and I will get you over to the Telegram link where we talk over there, we encourage each other, we let each other know when we're going live. It's a collaboration. Like I said, it is competition. It's not competition. It is collaboration over competition. So thank you guys for tuning in. It's not too late. I know it's the 6th. It is not too late to join the challenge. You can join at any point in time during this month. So that is all I have for you guys. I'm just going to wait just about a minute because I know there's sometimes a delay with broadcast and Facebook, just to make sure that nobody has any questions. Okay. I don't see any. So thank you so much. I hope you have a great Sunday. I'm about to get back on doing some work. I got to create some stuff for a client. So I'm about to get to work, but thank you guys for tuning in. Come and check me out, me and LaShawn, tomorrow at 7. I'm excited, and I hope to see you. I hope to see you then. Talk to you soon. Have a great evening.